Okay, hello everyone. My name is Donny Kurniawan. In this video, I am going to review our materi from our Introduction to Linguistics course, which is syntax. And I will explain the topic based on what we learned in class as well as my personal understanding. Okay, so syntax is the branch of linguistics that study uh, how words combine to from parts and then clauses and then sentences. So, in simple terms, syntax deal with sentence structure. Syntax help us analyze why some sentence sounds natural and others don't, even when the same words used. Okay, and then we talk about concept and theory. In syntax, we learn several important concepts. So at first we have phrase structure. Uh, Structure sentence are made of phrase such as noun phrase, verb phrase, adjective phrase, and professional phrase. And sometimes each phrase has a head with determinants like article such an, the, or something like that. And then we have syntax categories. Now every word belong to categories such as noun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, determiner, conjunction, or so forth. So understanding categories help us identify the function of each word in a sentence. And then we have phrase structure rules. These rules show how phrases are formed. For example, sentence uh, equal atau terdiri dari NP plus verb phrase, noun phrase plus verb phrase, and then noun phrase is from determine plus noun, and then verb phrase is from verb and plus NP. Okay, and we also have three diagrams. We learn how to draw syntactic trees which visually represent the hierarchical structure of a sentence. And then we have grammatical relations. Key relation includes subject, object, complement, modifier. Okay, now we talk about example and applications. In class, we work with several example sentence, such as example 1, I study English. This is a sentence. So we can bagi I this is a proportional, so we can write in here proportional sebagai kata ganti orang pertama I, and then study English, this is a verb phrase. We can bagi lagi verbs study and then English, NP noun phrase, this is English. This is a simple example. Okay, now for example 2, we have sentence my black cat drink water. This is all is sentence. This is and this one is noun phrase, and this is one is verb phrase. My in here is pronoun, so we can write this pronoun, and then black cat is still noun phrase. What is my, and then NP is black cat. Black is adjective and cat is noun, so we can write this black and then cats, and then verb phrase drink water. Drink is a verb and water is noun phrase. This is water, this is drink, This is water. This show more complex structure but still follow syntax rules. Okay, and then connection between topics. Syntax connects strongly with other linguistic topics. Number one, syntax and morphology. Morphology studies word formation, while syntax study how those words combine. For example, to form a sentence in the past tense, morphology provides the it or ed from, for example, walked, when syntax places the verb in the correct positions. And then the difficult and challenges syntax. Syntax can be challenging because it requires both memorizing rules and analyze structure. For me, the difficult part includes understanding complex phrase structure rules and then drawing rules diagram correctly, especially for longer sentence, and then distinguishing between complement and modifiers, and then identifying hidden structure such as in question or passive sentence, and then sometimes explains in class look simple, but real sentence can be much more complicated. Okay, in conclusion, syntax is the study of how words combine to form larger structure like phrase and sentences. The most important thing I learned that sentences are not sentences are not random but follow a hierarchical structure that can be analyzed scientifically. Okay, for improvement, I think more practical with tree diagrams and real sentence analysis will helpful. It will also be useful to compare English with our native language, to see similarities and the difference. Okay, mungkin that's all for me. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.